Welcome to our guide on essential resources for your custom software development business. Let's dive into some valuable books, podcasts, YouTube videos, AI tools, and courses. First, let's explore some must-read books. Software Engineering, A Practitioner's Approach by Roger Pressman and Bruce Maxim covers the fundamentals of software engineering. Next, Clean Code, A Handbook of Agile Software Craftsmanship by Robert C. Martin offers best practices for writing clean, maintainable code, essential for high-quality software. For podcasts, The Art of Software Development by Marcus Wagner discusses the latest trends in agile development, DevOps, and cloud computing, a great way to stay updated. YouTube also offers valuable insights. Check out How to Build a Successful Custom Software Development Business by John Somez for tips on marketing, sales, and project management. AI tools can streamline your projects. GitHub provides a platform for version control and collaboration, while Jira helps with project management and agile development. Courses can further enhance your skills. Software Development Processes by the University of Alberta covers requirements analysis, design, implementation, and testing. Thank you for watching. We hope these resources help you build a successful custom software development business. Don't forget to check the links in the description.